Hi guys, today we're going to go over team management. So to get started, go into one of your locations and then team management. And once you're here, go ahead and click create team. And let's go ahead and name this the night shift. Once the team is made, next thing we'll want to do is add a user to that team. So let's add both Tom and Brian onto this. What this does is allows you to assign tasks to the specific team night shift, which allows Brian and Tom both to see and complete those tasks. So teams are really a way to organize users into groups. That way you can, again, assign work to just a specific group of people, whether that's just Brian or just Tom or Tom and Brian. And you can actually create teams for whichever purpose you want. In this case, we're using night shift. We probably would want to add another team that's called day shift. But you can also say senior maintenance, junior maintenance, really whatever way you want to set it up. And to show you how the assignment works, we'll go into location dashboard and we'll go ahead and start a task or start a work order. We'll just call this fix something. And as you can see, when we go ahead and give it to the night shift, both of the members are automatically highlighted. If we were to give it to day shift, none would be highlighted because we actually don't have any users on day shift. So now we'll go ahead and give it there, and you'll see it pops up in under the night shifts section of the tasks that are currently for them. And that's basically team management. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. By default, you are given a couple default teams, and you can see that when you start a work order that you have both manager and technician as the default teams. But please feel free, add as many teams as you want, break it up whatever way you want so that you can assign work and track work appropriately. Well, thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at mel@limblecmms.com, or you can talk to your dedicated CMMS advisor, or of course you can leave a comment in the section below, and we'll do our best to answer there as well. Thank you again for watching this tutorial, and you have a great day.